Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best rolling mat on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Wolfos W0A0015 Rolling Mat. Wolfos W0A0015 Rolling Mat silicone sheets are a revolutionary product for the kitchen and home. Wolfos non-stick silicone baking mat and cookie sheet is the best baking mat for the perfect cookie. For a fast, easy and healthy alternative to cooking in oil, Wolfos baking mat is ideal for preparing cookie sheets and wares such as egg rolls, spring rolls, pizza crusts, dumplings and fried foods. This bread baking sheet is a non-stick food-grade silicone mat. The sheets are reusable and easy to clean. Simply place in the dishwasher or wipe clean with a paper towel. Our baking mat is made from 100% food-grade silicone, which is ultra-flexible and tough and can withstand temperatures up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Our baking mat is a great alternative for baking with parchment paper, baking liners and aluminum foil. This baking sheet can also be used for baking fish, chicken, meat, vegetables, pizza, breads, cookies, pastries and more. Not only does this baking mat save you time and money, but also you will protect your baking surface from scratches and grease from your baking wares. Number 4. Wafstier CF174 Rolling Mat. Wafstier CF174 Rolling Mat is an essential for every kitchen, as cooking has never been easier. The silicone mat is an ideal size for sheet pans, cookie sheets and pizza pans. Wafstier CF174 Rolling Mat is perfect for rolling out dough, separating eggs, cooking bacon and more. Preparation doesn't get any easier than this. Wafstier CF174 Rolling Mat can cut down on messy cleanup thanks to non-stick properties. Simply wipe clean with a damp cloth. This baking mat can even be used in the oven, microwave, freezer, dishwasher, fridge, or freezer. It is ideal for your baking or cooking needs. This unique oven liner is perfect for rolling out dough or simply baking biscuits, and its textured design also helps improve traction, so you can easily remove your baking creations. The baking mat's silicone construction also allows you to use it as a heat-resistant server pad or trivet, providing a safe, heat-resistant surface from which to serve your dishes. Great for marinating meats or lining dishes to prevent food from sticking or breaking, this versatile silicone mat will prove its worth in your kitchen over and over again. Number 3. ZEJ059 Rolling Mat. ZEJ059 Rolling Mat is a top-quality, revolutionary silicone rolling mat that is the perfect accessory for baking. It is durable, heat-resistant and flexible to mold to the surface below. The non-stick material makes it easy to roll your dough into a perfect circle, and, unlike other mats, ZEJ059 Rolling Mat is flexible enough to keep your hands safe from imprints by rolling off any excess dough. This ZEJ059 Rolling Mat is a silicone kitchen mat. With this mat, you can easily roll dough, make cookies, roll pastry, make bread and more. It is a non-stick, durable and reusable mat. There are 4 sides to the mat. One of them is the scraper, and the other a gauge for measurement. This kitchen tool can be easily cleaned by hand. The measurements are in centimeters and inches. Number 2. AB 1166896 Rolling Mat. AB 1166896 Rolling Mat is the perfect tool for your parties, special occasions and everyday baking. This non-stick pizza rolling mat with silicone edges holds any dough in place, so you can roll it without it sticking to the counter. AB 1166896 Rolling Mat can be used in the oven, microwave, freezer, refrigerator and dishwasher. It is oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and can be used in the freezer, refrigerator, microwave and dishwasher. This mat is 3 times larger than most silicone baking mats on the market. AB 1166896 Rolling Mat also features a silicone non-slip border, making it easy to roll your dough. This mat is also dishwasher safe. It can be used at temperatures from -40°F to 446°F. The silicone pad will last for a very long time and is pretty easy to clean. You just have to make sure that you have it cleaned off after use so that it does not get dirty. It is important to note that the mat should never be washed with water as it is a silicone material. The mat also works on both hot and cold items. Number 1. Housekeeper Rolling Mat. Housekeeper Rolling Mat combines the non-stick properties of silicone with the ergonomics of an ergonomic grip to provide an all-in-one baking mat and rolling pin for the kitchen. The dough rolling mat is made of non-stick silicone, and the rubber grip on the mat provides a comfortable hold when rolling dough. The large silicone rolling mat and dough roller is ideal for rolling out cookie dough, pie crusts, pizza dough, cinnamon rolls and more. The rolling mat is a great addition to any kitchen and can be used with flour or pizza or cookie dough. The silicone mat and rolling pin are perfect for making your own fresh homemade pizza and cookies. The silicone mat is easy to clean and store, making it easy to use time and time again. It's made from premium silicone. It's durable and heat resistant to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, it can eliminate the need for star cutters and cutters. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.